Hello everybody, it's me, Maddie Cervantes, of course. I'm dressed up, don't mind my points. I'm moving up this one. So yeah, hey everybody. I'm always forgetting to make flip clip. So I'm on my private server. You could be my friend, but I only have 200 friends. My cousin, I have a cousin. My cousin and then my sis, because I don't like being mean to my friends. This girl made me cry. Her name was some kind of name. I don't know what's her name, but I don't know. Okay, they got me. Okay, I'm just a regular girl. I don't like people around me because they really annoys me. Don't think I hate you, peoples, but I just don't like when they press the door because that's really annoying. It was just me. Okay, I wish it could stop already. Okay, that one I died on that like a few times already. Get on. Oh, I'm gonna leave. Okay, yes, of course I repped it. Don't start recording, stop recording. Okay, now, yes, I did, the most favorite game. Now, like, it's gonna bring me back. Here we go again. I really like Adami, but I don't like when they, like, decline. So I have my own account. That's my cousin. I guess he's on that. So bye.